Hello everyone, welcome back to Touch to Click. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to restore previous versions in Windows 10 and guide you through the complete process step by step. Now let's get started. Step 1. Click on the Start button, which is the Windows icon located at the lower left corner of your screen. This button opens the main menu where you can access apps, settings, and system tools. It is the starting point for almost every important action on your PC. Step 2. Click on the settings icon, which looks like a small gear and is placed just above the power button. The settings panel allows you to control and customize your system features. This is where you manage updates, security, and recovery options. Step 3. Once the settings window opens, click on Update and Security. This section handles Windows updates, system protection, backup options, and recovery tools. It is important because restoring a previous version is managed from here. Step 4. From the left-hand menu, click on Recovery. The Recovery section provides options to reset your PC, go back to a previous version, or use advanced startup tools. This is the exact place where the rollback option is located. Step 5, under the section that says Go back to the previous version of Windows 10, click on the Get Started button. This option is available for a limited time after an update. It allows you to return to the earlier version if the new update is causing issues. Step 6. Windows will now ask you why you want to roll back, so select a suitable reason and click Next. This feedback helps Microsoft understand common problems users face. After selecting the reason, continue by following the prompts carefully. Step 7. Keep clicking. Next, to confirm your choices and proceed with the restoration process. Your system will begin reverting to the previous version of Windows 10, and your computer may restart during this process. Make sure your important files are backed up before continuing to avoid any data loss. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tech guides.